Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids again use yellow color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for God, G for glass. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. And use red color. Kids again use red color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids again use red color and draw K. K for kite, K for king. L. L for lion. Kids again use red color and draw M. M for moon. Kids now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use blue color, blue color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids again use blue color and draw Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose, R for rice. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids now draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids again use blue color and draw U. U for umbrella. Kids now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. W. W for wolf. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw X. X for X-ray. Kids now draw Y. Y for yak. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.